Spiritual Manthan.
In a world filled with ordinary, there are those who are destined for something extraordinary. They are the chosen ones, guided by a higher purpose. If you've ever felt like you don't quite fit in, if you've wondered if there's more to life, if you've been drawn to authenticity and kindness, then this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the 9 signs that may reveal you're a chosen one. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inspiration. 1. Authenticity. Authenticity, the first sign of being a chosen one, is like the North Star guiding you through the vast expanse of life's choices. It's an unwavering commitment to being true to oneself, an inner compass that refuses to tolerate pretense. For chosen ones, authenticity isn't a mere choice, but a way of life. They can't feign emotions or beliefs that don't resonate with their core values. This inherent honesty isn't just about integrity, it's about living an unapologetically genuine life. One remarkable aspect of being an authentic soul is the ability to detect inauthenticity in others. It's like having a built-in lie detector, a subtle but powerful intuition that alerts you when someone's words and actions don't align with their true self. This intuition often acts as a shield, protecting chosen ones from falling into relationships or situations that don't serve their higher purpose. Living authentically isn't always easy. It requires confronting discomfort and stepping out of the comfort zone to express one's true self. But chosen ones understand that this discomfort is a necessary catalyst for growth and fulfillment. In a world where masks are often worn, authenticity shines as a beacon of light. It not only sets the chosen ones apart, but also inspires others to embrace their true selves. It fosters deeper connections, for authenticity is the language of the heart. It's a reminder that each of us, in our unique authenticity, is a vital piece of the intricate tapestry of humanity. So, if you find yourself unable to compromise your authenticity, if you have an innate radar for insincerity, know that you are on the path of a chosen one. Embrace your uniqueness, for it is this authenticity that will guide you towards your destiny and help illuminate the way for others. 2. Yearning for more. In a world where many find comfort in routine and conformity, the chosen ones are the ones who hear a different call, a call that resounds with the yearning for more. Sign number 2. The yearning for more is the beating heart of a chosen one's existence. It's a hunger for experiences that transcend the ordinary, a thirst for knowledge that goes beyond the surface, and a relentless pursuit of purpose that refuses to settle for mediocrity. Imagine a life where the confines of societal expectations are not enough to contain your boundless curiosity. You are not satisfied with just following the well-trodden path. Instead, you seek the untrodden, the unexplored, the undiscovered. It's as if you've glimpsed a hidden world of possibilities beyond the mundane, and you're determined to make it your own. This yearning for more isn't a mere restlessness. It's a divine spark that ignites your soul, urging you to embrace the road less traveled. You recognize that each decision you make, no matter how small, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your destiny. You understand that the conventional isn't your calling, and the ordinary won't satisfy your insatiable thirst. Your life becomes a grand adventure, a series of deliberate choices that lead you to extraordinary destinations. You're drawn to the beauty in the unknown, the wisdom in the unconventional, and the magic in the unexpected. And as you continue your journey, you inspire others to seek their own extraordinary paths, for the yearning for more is contagious, and the chosen ones are the beacons guiding humanity toward a brighter, more fulfilling future. 3. Resilience through challenges. Sign number 3. Resilience through challenges is the crucible in which chosen ones are forged. From the outset, life presents you with its most arduous trials. These challenges, far from being random or punitive, are part of a divine plan to shape you into a beacon of strength and wisdom. Every obstacle is a stepping stone, every setback a lesson, and every hardship a chance to evolve. When you face adversity head-on, you emerge from the crucible with a heart tempered by experience and a mind sharpened by wisdom. Your resilience becomes a source of inspiration for those around you, a testament to the power of the human spirit to endure and overcome. But your role as a chosen one doesn't end with your own growth. It extends to being a guiding light for others navigating their own struggles. Your ability to endure and thrive in the face of adversity makes you a natural source of support and encouragement for those who may be lost in the darkness of their own challenges. Your resilience isn't just about personal strength. It's about becoming a source of hope and inspiration. Like a lighthouse on a stormy night, you guide others safely through their trials, offering a hand to hold and a voice to reassure them that they, too, can weather the storm. So, when life's challenges seem insurmountable, remember that they are the building blocks of your strength, the chisel that shapes your character, and the light that guides others towards their own resilience. Embrace your role as a beacon of hope, for your journey is not just about personal growth. It's about lighting the way for others on their path to resilience and triumph. 4. Helping others. Sign number 4, helping others, is a defining characteristic of those who are chosen for a greater purpose in life. It's not just about being kind, it's about having a pure and selfless heart that drives you to make a positive impact on the world. Your innate desire to help others goes beyond mere actions. It's woven into the very fabric of your being. When you see someone in need, you don't hesitate to lend a hand, offer a kind word, or provide support. It's not a burden, it's a calling. In fact, you find your greatest fulfillment in these moments of selflessness. Even when it means letting others take more from you than they should, you do it willingly. Your generosity knows no bounds because you genuinely want to alleviate the suffering of those around you. Whether it's a listening ear for a friend in distress, volunteering your time for a charitable cause, or simply brightening someone's day with a smile, your acts of kindness create ripples of positivity in the world. Your selflessness makes the world a better place, one act of compassion at a time. You're not just taking care of yourself, you're a healer and a savior for those who are fortunate enough to cross your path. Your kindness and generosity are the balm that soothes the wounds of others and brings hope to those in despair. In a world that often seems self-absorbed and individualistic, your commitment to helping others is a shining example of the power of empathy and love. It's a sign that you are chosen for a greater purpose to spread light, kindness, and compassion wherever you go. 5. Quest for truth. From the earliest moments of your life, a thirst for truth has burned within you like an eternal flame. It's not just a passing curiosity, it's the very essence of your being. Your quest for truth is not limited to external knowledge. It's an inward journey, a profound exploration of the self and the universe. As a chosen one, you possess an insatiable appetite for knowledge and a fearless spirit when it comes to questioning the world around you. You challenge the status quo because you refuse to accept things at face value. The ordinary and the mundane simply do not satisfy your intellectual hunger. In your relentless pursuit of truth, you've uncovered a profound realization that the answers to life's most profound questions often lie within your own consciousness. You understand that self-reflection and introspection are essential tools on this journey. Like Socrates, you believe that a life lived without self-examination is devoid of purpose and depth. This quest for truth is not just an intellectual endeavor. It's a spiritual calling. You seek to unveil the hidden layers of reality, to understand the intricate tapestry of existence, and to decipher the mysteries of your own existence. With every question you ask and every discovery you make, you draw closer to the profound truths that shape your destiny as a chosen one. In your relentless pursuit of truth, you inspire those around you to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. You become a beacon of wisdom, illuminating the path for others who seek to understand the profound truths that lie within and beyond. Your quest for truth is not just a personal journey. It's a gift you share with the world, one that enriches the lives of those fortunate enough to know you. 6. Black sheep. This feeling of being the odd one out, the black sheep in your family or social circles, can be both a burden and a blessing. It's a sensation that many chosen ones experience throughout their lives, and it often begins in childhood. While others in your family or peer group might seem to effortlessly blend in, you find yourself questioning the norm and taking a different path. This divergence from the crowd can be isolating at times. You may feel like you're on the outside looking in, struggling to connect with those who appear to effortlessly conform to societal expectations. Your unique perspective, your refusal to blindly follow the herd, and your willingness to challenge the status quo can set you apart in ways that might be misunderstood or even resented by others. However, this sense of not quite belonging is also a sign that you're meant for something greater than just fitting in. Your willingness to embrace your individuality, to march to the beat of your own drum, is a testament to your inner strength and resilience. It's a clear indication that you possess the courage to pursue a unique and meaningful path, one that aligns with your true purpose. As a black sheep, you have the power to inspire others, to break free from the constraints of conformity, and embrace their own authentic selves. Your journey may be unconventional, but it's through this very journey that you can make a profound impact on the world. Remember, it's the black sheep who often lead the way, forging new trails and lighting the path for those who choose to follow. 7. Inner knowing. Inner knowing is the profound and unyielding sense that resides within you, signaling that you are meant for something extraordinary. It's the quiet whisper of your soul, an unwavering belief that you are chosen for a greater purpose. This inner knowing is like a compass, guiding you through the maze of life's uncertainties. At the core of this inner knowing is an indomitable fire, a burning desire that cannot be extinguished. It's as if the universe itself has planted a seed of purpose deep within your being, and it has sprouted into an unshakable conviction that you are destined for greatness. This inner knowing is not based on ego or arrogance. It's a humble recognition of a unique calling that sets your path apart from the ordinary. It's a sense that your life is part of a grand tapestry where every experience, every challenge, and every triumph has been meticulously woven into a masterpiece only you can create. It's the quiet confidence that even in the face of adversity, you are guided. When doubt creeps in, it's this inner knowing that gives you the strength to carry on. It fuels your resilience and determination, reminding you that you are on a path laid out especially for you, a path that will lead you to your true purpose. In times of uncertainty, when the world seems chaotic and confusing, this inner knowing is your North Star, providing clarity and direction. Trust it, for it is your most faithful ally on this remarkable journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. Embrace your inner knowing, and you will find the courage to shine your light and make the world a better place. 8. Belief in higher power. Unlike those who dismiss spiritual ideas, you deeply respect the powers of the universe or God. You see the intricate connections and understand that everything unfolds according to a higher plan. You are a light worker, bringing love and light into the world. Remember, you are guided and protected by higher powers on your unique journey. 9. Facing opposition. Sometimes, people won't like you, even when you've done nothing wrong. Your light can make others uncomfortable, as it highlights the darkness within them. But remember, this opposition isn't about you. It's about them and their own struggles. Don't let anyone dim your light. Keep shining, for you are here for a greater purpose. So, my friends, if you resonate with these signs, if you felt the call to something greater, embrace it. You are a chosen one, destined for a unique and extraordinary path. Your authenticity, resilience, kindness, and unwavering belief in a higher power are your guiding stars. Embrace your inner knowing and keep shining, for you are not alone on this journey. You are part of a greater plan, a plan to make the world a better place. In the grand tapestry of existence, you are a thread, weaving your story into the fabric of humanity. Your purpose is not just to exist, but to thrive, to inspire, and to leave an indelible mark on the world. As you navigate through life's challenges, remember that you are not just a chosen one. You are a beacon of hope, a force of change, and a source of inspiration for all who cross your path. Embrace your authenticity, follow your inner knowing, and continue your quest for truth. Know that you are never alone, for the universe has your back. You are a chosen one, and your journey is an extraordinary one. May you walk it with courage, grace, and an unwavering belief in the power of your purpose. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey, and may your life be filled with prosperity, blessings, and the fulfillment of your unique destiny.